so let's walk around and look at some cars. Tonight we're at the Pell City movie theater for the second annual Pell City Cruise In. A lot of cars tonight. Really good turnout for the weather because it's hot. Looking at 98, 99 degrees. It's really, really hot. Horse with no name, Mustang. OBS truck coming in. Oh, that's a good looking truck. A lot of cool stuff here. We're gonna start doing this. Casey Cameron's the one putting this on. We're gonna do this once a month now. Cars everywhere you look. New cars, old cars, cool cars. Old Studebaker. Not real sure what this is, but it's a Saab. Kenny James, we found you a Saab. Maybe this is what we should have done, Kenny. It's a good looking car, small block Chevrolet in it. It'd be good. truck.
This thing's
I believe this is the truck we saw last week at First Friday Night. Beautiful. Square body Chevrolet. And look, coming here. Here comes Mr. Tom. Pass me with a smile. Tom Green. I hope everyone enjoyed tonight's video and enjoyed themselves at the Pell City Cruise In. Really great turnout. I'm very proud of that. Keep an eye on this event. It's going to get bigger every month. Also, like to invite everybody to come out and join us next weekend at Summer Jam, Townsend, Tennessee. It's a Volkswagen show put on by Knoxville Doves. This show's getting a lot of attention. Trying to make a really good showing and a really good turnout for it. Also, coming up after that, in August, Volks Jam. We'll all be there. Really big show in this area. Thanks again for watching. Please, if you enjoyed this content, like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us out.